In the heart of a merciless blizzard, John heard footsteps behind him, but he was alone, or so he thought. Snow fell relentlessly, and the wind howled like the cries of the lost. John trudged through the forest, flashlight trembling in his hands, the trees disappearing into the whiteout. His wet boots crunched on the snow, swallowed by the roar of the wind. Suddenly, he saw something moving between the trees, a tall shadow, featureless, creeping toward him. He tried to step back, but the wind carried his voice away as if the world itself had swallowed it. He raised his flashlight. The shadow stopped, then vanished. Only the snow beneath his feet remained, until he felt a cold breath behind him. And when he turned, nothing was there, just footprints leading to nowhere. John ran, but the wind devoured every sound. The darkness pressed closer, and the last trace of him, footprints that abruptly ended before an impossible void.